Hi, it's Paul with OurChurch.com. Thanks for watching this website design frequently asked questions video. By far, the question we are asked most often is, how much does website design cost? As you might imagine, that is a complex question because there are many factors that factor into the cost of a website design service. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 10 different factors that can influence the cost of website design. Ready to go? All right. Well, the first and possibly the biggest factor in it is whether the process is a consultative process or a cookie cutter process. Now, to explain what this means, if you are basically filling out forms to select the things you want on your website, that is a cookie cutter process. If the web design company asks you, which of these designs do you like? Which of these pages do you want? Which of these functionalities do you want? And there's no real interaction, well, that is a cookie cutter process. But if you are able to speak with your developer on the phone or in person, and you are able to talk through design decisions, talk through page decisions, talk through functionality decisions, then that is a consultative approach. And because there's more time and care involved, that's going to be a more costly approach to it. But you're more likely going to end up with the website that you really want if you go through a consultative process. Second factor is content mapping. Now, this is a part of the process that many website developers and designers don't do and may not even understand what it is. But content mapping is a conversation that you, the client, and the developer have together to determine what are the pages in your website? What are the menus going to look like in your website? What elements are you going to want on your homepage? All of this gets mapped out beforehand so that you can select a theme and pages and content that are going to fit that content map. A third element in what determines the cost of a website is whether you are going to use a pre-made theme or you are going to have your website developer create a theme for you from scratch. And as you might imagine, if you're having a theme developed from scratch, that is going to be much more expensive. Fourth item that will influence the cost of your website is the platform that is used. Now, some website developers will just go ahead and build you a website on a web builder platform. Like they might go to Wix or GoDaddy or something like that and just build your website using their website builder. This is going to be much cheaper than using a content management system like WordPress, installing the plugins, installing your theme, but you're going to end up with a website that is much more customized to your needs if you have it installed in a custom sort of way. The fifth element that will influence the cost of the website is the functionality. If you go for high-end functionality, if you want a shopping cart, if you want a ticketing system, if you want a client portal or a login type system, all of these things are more custom functionality that are going to take more cost to install, to set up, to configure for you, and so they're going to increase the cost of the website. Moving on to number 6, content creation and input. So the number of pages that you have on your website and the number of pages that the developer will add to your website is going to increase the cost. The more pages, the more the cost. Also, if your website developer is involved in the writing of the content for you, this also will increase the cost. One of the things that we include is a content writing service, which is an option. So you can write the content yourself, or you can get on a call with us, tell us about the page, and we can write up the content for you. Seventh thing that can impact the cost of the website is the training and documentation. So is the company going to provide you with training? Is it going to be on the phone or via video? Are they going to provide you any documentation? Or are they just going to say, here are some help pages, figure it out for yourself? We here at OurChurch.com, we create a custom documentation instruction manual for every custom design client that we have. So that's something that you can expect from us. And we're also there to walk you through any of the updating process, how to use your website for you. All right, number 8, support. This will influence the cost as well. Some web design companies, they will only respond to email. Others will be available for live chat, phone support, which of course tends to increase the cost of the service if you get those live support options. Number 9, is your web developer going to include the hosting of the website, email service, and domain registration? Those things will also contribute to the cost of the website. And finally, number 10, last but not least, the maturity and the reliability of the company. You can probably find somebody's nephew working out of their parents' home who can design a website for you for cheap. But are they going to be as reliable as an established company that has been around for years? You can also find somebody in a foreign country who will design a company or design a website for you for much less. But again, what is the reliability there? And are they going to be dependable? Are they going to be there? Are they going to deliver on what they promise? So if you are going to hire a website development company that has been established for a while, they have a significant staff, and they've got reliability and maturity, then you're probably going to pay a little bit more for that. Of course, we believe that is worthwhile because we've been around for more than 25 years. We are established, we are reliable, and we will deliver on the website that we promise for you. So those are 10 things that will factor into a website. And as you go through and discuss things with your website development companies, the ones that you're considering, ask them about these things. Ask them what they provide in these areas, and that will factor into the cost and factor into your expectations. Thanks for watching this video, and if we can be of any help to you at all, please contact us at support@OurChurch.com or schedule a call with one of our designers. We'd love to talk with you. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.